Hey guys, this is Joe Tech from JoeteckTips. We're on Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram, and today we're going to be reviewing a pair of earbuds made by Sainyer. This is the earbuds. The sound quality is quite impressive. They perform very, very similar to headphones. You can actually feel the bass and the speaker vibrating. It offers a 10mm driver and two 6mm drivers. The two 6 are mid-range and the 10mm is the woofer. And combined together, it has a channel and forces the sound through the earbuds. It's actually amazing. I'm giving it a 4-star rating because the illustration does not match the actual product. I'll show you pictures of what I mean, but the performance of the device itself, of the earbuds, is quite impressive. I've taken it apart because I want to see if the speakers were actually real, and they are. Sometimes they actually make the product and they make it seem like it's something else, and it could be like a passive radiator or something like that to make the bass a little bit more pronounced. That's not the case with these babies. Inside of this are real freaking drivers. So I like the sound quality of them. It's actually very close to my HyperX Cloud headphones, because these things are getting jammed into my ear canal, and those are sitting in front of the ear. So this is pretty close, but I'm going to ding it 1 star because of the illustration doesn't match the product itself. But it comes with an additional rubber surround that goes inside the ear canal, and they're all different sizes depending on what you have. I like that. It's compatible with the iPhone, compatible with the Android. It has a pause button, play button, and volume controls on the earbuds as well for remote, for remote capability. It's a very, very good product. I'm actually quite impressed with it. I'm just not happy that the illustration doesn't match the actual hardware itself. So anyway, guys, if you like this video, give me a thumbs up, and if you're not a subscriber, please subscribe. Take care, and we'll see you next time. Hey guys, this is Joe Tech from JoeteckTips. We're on Facebook and Twitter, and God. And today we're going to be checking out a product called Sainyer. It comes with, and I screwed this up. Let's try this again. Today we're going to be reviewing Sainyer. Today, my God, I'm everything up today. Oh my God. The presentation is awesome. And I forgot my freaking gloves again. God. Creative Labs iRaw. Plug it in like this. The inside of this is really impressive. 100A in the Prius. The AC adapter, 1 amp charger, and it's big, and it's made out of aluminum. Okay, as you can see, the backup is complete. Like so. Now you can create the RAID array. I mean, for the price difference between the two,